So finally it's happening. I finally got my parcel, and let's see what they have packed for me. I've been waiting this for the past 2 weeks. You can see this is completely packed. I don't know how many layers of packaging they have used for this. And I don't know, and I don't have a cutter right now at home. Can I remove it? Yes, I can. Oh, I can see something. Damn, let's get rid of all of these things. That's a lot of bubble wrap. Guys, we have it. The DJI Mini 3 Pro. I finally got my hands on it. I think I'm one of the first few people in India to actually own this drone, because it's been launched about 10th or 15th of May, just about couple 2-3 weeks back. I've been waiting. I have placed this order about 2 weeks back, and I've just received it today. So how do you check whether this is genuine? Is first of all, you need to check the serial number. So, and secondly, DJI has introduced something like what Apple has introduced in previous generation of their phones from iPhone 11. So they have a green sticker here, which has to be intact. If this is not intact, then there is some alteration done in your drone. So this seems to be very intact. Yes, so the green sticker over here is intact. See, you can see it. So I'm just going to remove this plastic cover which is there across the drone. I'm going to keep it on the side. Let's keep this on the side because I don't need any scissors or cutters anymore. Okay, so it is over here. So this green sticker needs to be removed, and then we open it. I'll show you guys what it is. So we have this, and we have this is what I've been waiting for. I'm just going to remove this, and let's check what other surprises we have in the box. And there we have the RC controller. Let's keep this aside. And then we have, I am damn sure this will be the documentation, and there are some silica gels inside. So let's keep the box aside. So these are the obstacle avoidance sensors, I guess. And there are 2 on top, 2 down. Cool. Before we open the RC controller, let's check what's inside the box. So what we get is some paperwork, which I guess nobody is going to read, and along with that what we get is we get extra propellers. We also get a DJI screwdriver, which is super cool and handy. And then the last thing what we get is a Type C to Type C cable. So that will be basically we used to charge the DJI. Keep this aside, and now let's open the RC controller. This seems to be quite light. I wasn't expecting it to be so light. I was actually expecting it to be the weight of my iPhone 13, but wow, look at this screen. Don't ask me the specifications of the screen, because even I'm opening it for the first time. I've checked reviews, 2-3 reviews before buying this drone, but amazing. So I need to charge both my drone as well as the RC controller, so to check if everything is alright. So I'll see you guys after that. So guys, we just saw the unboxing video of the DJI RC Pro. So now we are going to do the first flight with the RC Pro. So I'm just come out here on my terrace, and so this is basically the DJI unit. So you have to just open it this way. So this is the front part, and then This is the rear unit, rear propellers. So we just place it on a flat surface and then we press it once and then again. And this is the RC controller. And do the same thing for the controller as well. So then it gets paired automatically. So actually I was supposed to call a friend to help me with the shooting for this first flight video, but unfortunately I have to do it myself. So let's see how it goes. I have done all the updations and things like that. There was about 2 GB of file update that was there. So that was done. So now we are going to, there shows, I'm going to start the screen recording also. Okay, started the screen recording.
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So the first important thing that you need to check is you need to check if your drone is paired with your RC. Secondly, you need to check if the satellites are above 12. 12 is the minimum number of satellites that are needed to fly this drone. So currently we have around 21. So that will keep on increasing. So time and again we fly this drone, it will keep on increasing. There you go, it's 23 now. So now let's fly it. So to fly it, just press the takeoff button on the left hand side of the screen and then take off. So that sound that you hear is the obstacle avoidance sensor. Start recording. How high are we? We are at 18 meters right now. Still going up. There you go. We are at 100 meter distance and 25 meters height. I don't want to take it quite far because this is just the first flight. So DJI always has a tendency to improvise. The more you fly the drone, the better it gets. So this is the view. So I'll show you some features that this drone has. So it has a gimbal where you can actually zoom in and zoom out. So if you can see, now I'm zooming in and then you can zoom out as well. 0.4, 0.3, 0.2 and 1.1, 1. And you need to check out for birds as well. So that's another headache. I see a bird nearby, so I'm going to just change the drone's position. So there is, on the left hand side of the RC, there is another gimbal for the there is another control for the gimbal, that is your camera gimbal. So then you can take it right down. What's the maximum we can go? So the maximum we can go is minus 90 degrees. So that's the maximum we can go. There we can go minus 90 degrees downwards, and we can, I think we can go up to about 60 degrees upwards. Correct. There we can see the sky. Okay, so where are we facing right now? Okay, there is me, that's my house. I'm gonna get it nearby. So you can see me on the screen. I'll try to zoom into myself. So that is me. There you can see me on the terrace. So here it's right above me. I'll show you. There, I am there. So I'm using it with the ultralight battery that comes with the drone. So I did not get the Flymo kit yet. I've ordered it, but it has not yet arrived. So they say you get about 20 to 25 minutes battery time with the original kit that comes with the drone. So now I'm going to get it back. So I want to try the return to home feature. So that is return to home. So just want to check how that works. So there you go. So let's see if it is able to track my location, because the GPS at my place is not so good. So I just want to see if it is able to return back safely to this location. Okay, it's doing something. Where are we? I can hear it in the background, but I can't see it. Where exactly is the drone?
Landing.
That sound is obstacle avoidance sensor. So now I'm going to just land it. So to land it, you just push the land button, long press it, and then land. There you go. So yes, So that was our first successful flight with the DJI RC Pro. So this is my first drone which is a professional drone, and I was thinking of buying the DJI Mini 2, but then I thought that DJI is coming up with the Mini 3 soon, so why not invest my money in that instead of the Mini 2, which is already outdated right now. So I'm really very happy with this because of the obstacle avoidance sensors and the kind of interactive menus and the RC Pro, like the DJI RC that is there. So it's very intuitive. That's what I felt. So that's all, guys. I'll keep posting my feedback about this RC Pro. So this is my first official flight with the drone. I would have got better video footage, but unfortunately my friend could not make it today, so I had to shoot the footage myself. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to this channel, it supports me a lot, and do comment, do like, share the videos with your friends. And I'm going to post some more videos of the DJI RC Pro shortly when I'm going out to some places around Goa. So that's what I'm going to do now. And the weight of this is 249 grams, which is like there's no any kind of drone license that is needed for this kind of drone. You just need to register your drone with the civil aviation authorities, and then it's done. So thank you so much for watching.